Okay, let us look at question 3. Write a code that finds the summation of 1 to n, where n is an integer given by a user. You should use standard summation formula in the calculation. You do not need. Okay, this is the summation formula. It is actually doing a simple summation, and therefore it is showing how we can solve simple questions. And again, then we can write here. Let me come back to here and write again file new text file question 0.3 and summation that 5. Let me save it, and here let me start with the n5. Okay, and let's say n3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 should be 6. For example, let's see this summation formula works well. N multiplied by n plus 1, since here n, then it should be divided by 2. Okay, since these are here, print summation from, let me do it in the, again, f strings as we have talked about before, this formatted screens from 1 dot dot dot. Here n is summation. Let's run this with F5 and see the output. Okay, is 600. And I think I should do this one to integer division, therefore this summation will be int. Yes, x. And since the question is asking where an integer is given by user, then I should write something like that here. Input, okay, input, please enter an integer for summation 1 dot dot n, integer n for summation n. But here I wrote it wrongly. But the problem is that if you look at it, this input always return a string. Okay, reads a string from standard input. Then actually this is the strn. Therefore I should change this n to int, and therefore I am using this part. And here when I run this code, okay, let's say 3, again it is giving 5, then let me give, for example, 4, it should give me 10, and so on. Let's fix this part and say, let's say 1 to 10, and it works. The important part is here, this calculation plus this changing this return from input to, since it is always string, to an integer.